Greetings! I'm here today with another frequently asked question. Today I'm here to show and demonstrate how to remove and replace your standard vinyl foam ear seal. Now at ProEars we do provide several types of ear seals, the two being vinyl foam and gel ear seal. I'll go into the gel ear seal in another video, but for right now we're going to focus on how to replace your standard foam ear seal. Now, it's quite simple to actually replace the ear seal itself. All you need to do is have two fingers and a come hither motion. What I'll first do is I'll stick my fingers into the ear seal to find the plastic, making sure not to go too far deep in that I might pinch my fingers, but far enough that I can get a good grip on the inner plastic ring. I'll show you that ring once I pull out the ear seal. So, as I mentioned before, with the come hither motion, pinch back towards yourself and the ear seal should fall off just like that. You might lose your phone in the meantime, but that's normal, not to be worried. It's easily fixable. So as I was saying, you're trying to find that sweet spot inside the plastic right here. So when you're looking for it, you'll notice a tiny little grip that you can get right there. Now, in order to replace the ear seal again, what we'll do is, now that our foam's in place, be sure to put two corners down, meeting the other end, and hold down with one hand. With your other hand, while you still have a little bit of a space and gap here, pinch. And when you hear the two clicks, your ear seal is replaced. So, once again, two fingers, find that little plastic ledge, come hither motion will pop out to replace, get two corners down, hold with one hand, with the other hand, pinch until you hear two clicks. And that is how you replace your standard foam ear seal.